Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn some household supplies, all we need at home. Do you know any words? Let's begin. My mother does the shopping and she usually buys a scrub brush, repeat, a scrub brush. A duster, repeat, a duster. Dish soap, repeat, dish soap. Laundry detergent, repeat, laundry detergent. A bucket, repeat, a bucket. A spray bottle, repeat, a spray bottle. She usually uses these when she tidies our home. A vacuum cleaner, repeat, a vacuum cleaner. A window wiper, repeat, a window wiper. A cleaning cloth, repeat, a cleaning cloth. A sponge, repeat, a sponge. A mop, repeat, a mop. My sister uses these items to tidy up her room. A broom, repeat, a broom. A feather duster, repeat, a feather duster. A dustpan, repeat, a dustpan. My chore is to throw the rubbish away, and I use that stuff. A trash bag, repeat, a trash bag. A trash can, repeat, a trash can. We all have our household chores. Do you? What are yours at home? Today, you've learned household supplies we all use. Well done. See you in another video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep learning with us.